Hey guys, what's up? Crazy Asian here. We got our new project we're starting today, and it's kind of windy. People are mowing, doing things, so I'm sorry if it's hard to hear. I apologize. I am trying to work on getting some better equipment so you can hear me better. But for now, we're just gonna work with what we got, which ain't much, but hopefully it's enough. So I got a package in today. I got a few sheets of Lexan polycarbonate in, and we're going to turn those in to a Wickerbill for the Camaro. Right there. And we're going to start on that today. The first thing I did was I made templates. I made templates out of paper, like this. These are them in Photoshop. I taped them and shaped them on my car to make sure they was the right look, the right size, and all that stuff. I cut them out of paper, and we're going to use these to turn a piece of Lexan into a Wickerbill. I've never done it before. This is going to be the first time, and I couldn't find any videos on how to do it, so we're just winging it. So, I mean, I think the hard part I already did in Photoshop. It was pretty easy to design these and print them out. And now we're going to spray them. Spray glue them with this tacky spray to the Lexan and cut the pieces out and see where we're at from there. Alright, here's the package I got in today. It has all my Lexan in there. I'm going to use my truck as a workbench because I don't have a workbench. So this will be just fine. I already pre-opened it, so I'll be ready to go. Here we go. Boom. Lexan. We only need this one piece for the Wickerbill, and the other two pieces will be other projects I'm working on. And we'll do those later. There we go. That's got a tape to the edge, so I'll do this, spray it, I'll put it back over, and then we'll know it's level for that. Got it lined up. Best I can. Boom. Wrap it around. Yeah. You need to be able to see the corner to cut it properly. Yeah. There we go. Now, let's see if this gluing idea works. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to have to reposition this one because obviously that one is overlapping now. That was weird. Alright, hold on. I told you I've never done this before. I don't know what I'm doing. Winging it, guys. Freaking winging it. Hopefully we can learn together. This is all an experiment. Like I said, there's no videos of someone making a Wickerbill. But I don't want to spend $200 on a Wickerbill. And the one for the X-Wing they have for my car, I don't even like the way it looks anyway. general. I'm not going to try to fail. I'm going to try our hardest to make it work. Check our edge. Looks good enough. Probably, I don't know. But one more piece. Let's see what we got. There we go. Boom. It's come off, so that's even better. Don't have to worry about not seeing the edges. Alright. A jigsaw with a plastic blade. Or, well, it's a metal blade. It's for plastic. And that's what I heard is a good way to do this, so I guess we're gonna find out. I've never cut polycarbonate before, so if I break something, you'll know not to do what I did. Got some clamps, hold everything in place. Okay. Uh-oh. Looks like there's a storm brewing. All the sun went away. Look at this, guys. We got dark skies rolling in. We might not be able to get very far today. We'll see. Here we go. It's a little rough. But I planned on sanding the edges anyway. It's piece number one. Dang, guys, it's getting really dark. Not as in nighttime, but as in clouds. So I'm not going to take this off just yet because this has my holes I need to drill. But yeah, you get the idea. So we'll cut these other two pieces out, drill some holes, we'll tape it all together and get a rough idea of where to put it. Drill some more holes, get this thing installed. Then I'm going to leave the center part clear so it don't obstruct my view. This piece. These two pieces I'm going to paint black though. Like a flat satin black. And hopefully I'll get this, since I'm using the straight edge, you won't be able to see the seam too much in the middle. Either way, from a couple feet away you won't be able to see it, I don't think. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes now. I'm using M10 bolts, or M10, what? M6 bolts. With the rubber well nuts. so I'm not using permanent rivets. You'll be able to pull them in and out. They're kind of like Downstar, but I didn't buy Downstar. I bought cheap stuff, which is what I always do. So. And I'm not going to do these yet. I just remembered I need to wait till I have these together. Then I can lay this over this and drill these holes straight through these two where they connect. That way they're not misaligned. So, glad I remembered that at the last second. That was the plan the whole time. I just had forgotten until now. Okay. Yeah. So now, if you didn't understand before, hopefully you do now. Two pieces put together like that, and there's your Wickerbill. Boom. Oh yeah. That's what we got so far, guys. Boom. Yeah. She's getting there. Got some finishing to do and the center section to cut out. But yeah. Here it is. So now I just gotta cut this out, sand it all down, put it on the car, test fit it, paint it. So there's still a lot. I want to see what it looks like. Let's see if this tape will hold it together for a second. Okay guys, I taped it on so you can get an idea of what we're working with. It's not perfect, but I got it close. That's the shape, roughly. It's going to be sticking up over my dovetail. This side's just a smidge low, but it's okay. There's a look from the back. Looks weird that it's white and covered in tape, but it's okay. That's the idea right there. Just gotta cut that centerpiece out, clean it all up, slap it on. It came out exactly like I wanted. We'll see how it cleans up though, I guess. That's the next step. Alright. Man, this weather is not cooperating. And it is starting to get dark also. I'm gonna see if we can cut this last piece out before we run out of daylight. Yeah. All the big cuts are done. Okay. Okay. Boom. Here we go. There's the center section that I'm going to leave clear so I can see. Alright guys, well, that's it for the night. We are out of daylight. All the street lights are on. And it's getting late, and I'm afraid you won't be able to see much. So I'm going to cut it for the night, and I'll catch you tomorrow. We'll finish this project up. Hopefully. It might take another day. Alright. See you tomorrow.